what's up everyone, this is L. I got a new unboxing for y'all. I got on Black Friday. It's the Airpods Pro. I got them for $169.99 at Walmart. So I'm doing an unboxing. I did have the original AirPods. Can't find them, plus they're broken. I guess after like 3 years of using them, they just went kaput, and so the left ear stopped working, couldn't hear out of it, so I ended up not trying to I don't know. So let's get into it. That didn't come out too well. So here we got some manuals. Let me see, some more paperwork, everything. Who cares? And that is it. To the side, we have a charging cord. It is Lightning to USB Type C, and we got all different shapes for your ears. Hopefully, I wouldn't have to keep changing them. Out of the sleeve. Feels a little bit lighter than my other AirPods. So, ooh, it's more of a stiffer snap. I like that. So let's see how they feel. These definitely, ooh. The noise cancellation is definitely, it can work because it's like definitely sitting in your ear, unlike the other ones. You know, I use the old ones for work. You know, I drive sometimes and everything, so it definitely will probably help me with work, with like paying attention to the road and everything else. Let's see if I can get it paired up. Pops up. So they're not completely powered, which I'm gonna power them today. So when I go to work, I have them fully charged. Let's see how the music quality is real quick. So what I'm gonna play? I'm gonna play one of my favorites, King Shooter, R.I.P. Play some King Shooter Blackout. Let's see. Nice bass. It's only like 50%. This is about 75. I could barely hear myself. It's about 80%. Definitely can't hear myself right now. 95. Totally can't hear myself. I'm probably talking loud right now. 100%. Definitely don't want to listen to these like on 100%. I'm digging them. I'm definitely want to test them tomorrow while I'm out on a run and everything. But definitely get yourself a pair. If you have them, tell me how you feel about them. Put it in the comments below, and I'll get back at you.